I'd like to step you through a case study of how we used Copilot in a recent change management project. We did a lot of interviews for this project and we had over 55 hours of discovery notes and transcripts to sift through. This is an anonymized sample of one of the transcripts. You can see it's just 6 pages long. We had phone book sized files worth of transcripts. This is where we used Copilot's help. We're using Copilot, which is the paid version for Microsoft 365, and it sits inside Word here, and it opens up a side panel. So we could ask for a quick summary, or we've actually created a specific prompt. Please summarize the transcript in a brief paragraph, then outline the key themes identified. Put the results into a table format with the theme in the first column, a brief description of the theme in the second column, and then 1 or 2 supporting quotes for each theme in the third column. So we've asked specifically what we want from this document. We want a brief paragraph and then a table format. And by asking for a table format, we're getting a structure back, which helps us manage this data in a much better way. We're then going to take this summary and put it into a PowerPoint presentation, and Copilot will help us with that as well. So you can see it doesn't take too long for it to do its work. And what we're going to do now is copy this to the clipboard. I'll go Control-N to get a new Word document and then Control-V to paste. So it comes into the table format. Formatting's not great, but up the top we can see the brief paragraph that we needed, and then we've got the table format with our theme, a description, and then supporting quotes. I'm not too worried about the formatting, but I can go to the layout ribbon for the table and go auto fit to window, which will just expand it out a little bit more helpfully on the screen. Let's now save this into the cloud. We can save it into Teams, into SharePoint. Here I'm just choosing my OneDrive. In order for us to create the PowerPoint presentation from this document, it must be saved in the cloud. Now, a nice quick way to find the file path where this is saved is to go to File, down to Info, and from here I can copy the path. But actually, as you'll see, I don't even need to do this step. Let's open PowerPoint. I'm in PowerPoint now, and I'm going to use Copilot on the top right. It sits in the same place in each of the applications. And here it's giving me some suggested prompts. I'm going to create a presentation from my Word document. I could paste the file in, but because I'd accessed it recently, it is here in the list. It seems to give you about 5 recent documents. And I'll click Send. So I like that Copilot will talk us through what's happening. It's finding the file, and this is done in real time, so you can see how long it takes. It's drafting the presentation, generating the slides. It will insert images for us and even create the speaker notes. Great, here it is. It even has animation. So as a first draft, it's fantastic. And on this third slide here, we can see an example of some speaker notes. Let's run the presentation from here just to see how it looks. Images look pretty good. It's given me the table format for the key themes, and then a nice conclusion. So as a first draft, it's a fantastic effort, and we wouldn't be without Copilot now.